Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are all safe and fine. So, today let's do something interesting. Good morning, students. Welcome to your English class. So, let us read these sentences first. Read these sentences. Rahul is playing. Rahul is enjoying. Neha is a doctor. Neha treats sick people. This is a table. Table is made up of wood. This is a dog. Dog is a pet animal. This is my school. My school is very big. Now, what do you notice in these sentences? Let us study once more. Rahul is playing. Rahul is enjoying. Here, Rahul is the name of a boy, and this name is repeated 2 times. The name of Rahul is repeated 2 times here. The name of Neha is repeated 2 times here. The name table is repeated 2 times. So, in all of these sentences, the names are repeated again and again. Now, I don't want to repeat names again. So, what should I do? I want that I don't want to repeat the names. Without repeating the names, I want to read the sentences. So what should I do? मैं चाहती हूँ कि ये जो राहुल राहुल नेहा नेहा टेबल टेबल ये नाम बार बार रिपीट ना हो. तो मैं इसके लिए क्या करूँगी? So I use some other words in place of these names. जैसे राहुल is playing, राहुल is enjoying. मैं चाहती हूँ I want that राहुल मैं फिर से इधर repeat ना करूँ. तो मैं क्या करूँगी? So instead of राहुल or instead of repeating Rahul's name again, I use some other word. So which word should I use? Rahul is playing, Rahul is enjoying. So instead of repeating Rahul's name, here I use he. I use he. Now read the sentence. Rahul is playing, he is enjoying. मैंने राहुल का नाम फिर से रिपीट नहीं करना है, तो मैंने इसकी जगह he यूज किया. Similarly, here I don't want to repeat Neha's name. So what should I do? Neha is a doctor. Neha treats sick people. So here, instead of repeating Neha's name again, I use she. I use the word she. Neha is a doctor. She treats sick people. This is a table. Table is made up of wood. So again, instead of repeating table, here I use it. I use it. This is a table. It is made up of wood. This is a dog. Dog is a pet animal. So instead of repeating dog again, here I use it. This is my school. My school is very big. So instead of repeating school again, here I use it. This is my school. It is very big. So in place of Rahul, I use he. In place of Neha, I use she. In place of table, I use it. In place of dog, I use it. In place of my school, I use it. Rahul, Neha, table, dog and school. These are the names. Means these are the naming words. So when I don't want to repeat the naming words again and again, I use some other words in place of naming words. जब मैं naming words को या names को बार बार use करना नहीं चाहती हूँ, repeat करना नहीं चाहती हूँ, तो उसकी जगह पे मैं दूसरे words use करती हूँ. For example, he, she, it. Now, do you know what do we call these words? He, she, it. Which we use in place of naming words. आपको पता है हम इन words को क्या बोलते हैं? He, she, it को जो हम naming words की place पे use कर सकते हैं. So I will tell you. These words are called pronouns. Yes, he, she, it. These words are called pronouns, and these words can be used in place of naming words. So students, today our topic is pronouns. Yes, today our topic is pronouns. Today we will study about pronouns. He, she, it, they, we, I and you. These are the pronouns. And what are pronouns? The pronouns are the words which we use in place of naming words. Means names, means nouns. When we don't want to repeat the names again and again, we use these pronouns in place of naming words. So today we will learn about pronouns. So today we will study about pronouns. What are pronouns and where we can use pronouns. The words that we use in place of nouns are called pronouns. So pronouns are the words that we use in place of nouns or naming words or names. Pronouns वो words हैं जो हम naming words की जगह पे या noun की जगह पे use कर सकते हैं when we don't want to repeat the naming words or names again and again. जब हम naming words और नाम को बार बार use करना बोलना नहीं चाहते, तो instead of using naming words again and again, we can use pronouns in place of naming words like I, he, she, it, we, you, they. So he, she, it, I, they, you, we are pronouns. So let us study or learn where we can use he, she, it, I, they, you and we. This is a picture of a boy. His name is Rahul. Rahul is a boy. Rahul is going to school. Rahul studies in a school. So here I don't want to repeat the name of Rahul again and again. So what should I do? अब मैं राहुल के नाम को बार बार रिपीट करना नहीं चाहती. लाइक राहुल इज़ अ बॉय, राहुल इज़ गोइंग टू स्कूल, राहुल स्टडीज़ इन अ स्कूल, राहुल प्लेज इन अ स्कूल. तो मैं क्या करूँगी? सो आई यूज़ प्रोनाउन इन प्लेस ऑफ राहुल. राहुल इज़ अ नेमिंग वर्ड. राहुल इज़ अ नेम. राहुल नाम है ना, नेमिंग वर्ड है, तो उसकी जगह पे मैं एक प्रोनाउन यूज़ करूँगी. देन आई विल से लाइक दिस. Rahul is a boy. He goes to school. He studies in a school. He plays in a school. So instead of Rahul, I use he. So he is used for boys and men. When we don't want to repeat the name of boy or boys or men, we can use he in place of boys and men. So he is used for boys and men. Then who is she? She is a girl and her name is Meena. So Meena is a girl. Meena wears grey frock. Meena wears grey shoes. Meena has blue eyes. So instead of repeating Meena again and again, I can say like this. Meena is a girl. She wears grey frock. She wears grey shoes. She is very beautiful. So, she is used for girls and women. She किसकी जगह पे यूज़ कर सकते हैं? गर्ल्स और वुमेन. So, we can use she in place of girls and women, in place of names of girls and women. Then it is also a pronoun. So, we can use it in place of animal, thing, and in place of place also. So, it is used for animals and things, and it is also used for places. ठीक है? It is used for animals and things, and it is also used for places. Like, it is a bed. It is a squirrel. So, pronoun it is used when we don't want to repeat the name of a bird, the name of an animal, the name of things, and the name of a place. हम it कहाँ पे यूज़ करते हैं? जब हम किसी bird के नाम को repeat नहीं करना चाहते, animal के नाम को, things के नाम को और place के नाम को. Like, first, there is a picture of a peacock. Peacock is our national bird. Peacock has beautiful feathers. तो इसको मैं ऐसे भी बोल सकती हूँ. Peacock is our national bird. It has beautiful feathers. Now, second picture is of a lion. Lion is a wild animal. Lion lives in a jungle. So, instead of repeating lion again and again, I can say like this: lion is a wild animal. It lives in a jungle. Now, next, there is a picture of a kite. So, kite is very colorful. Kite flies in the sky. So, इसको मैं फिर से कैसे बोल सकती हूँ instead of repeating kite again and again? Kite is very colorful. It flies in the sky. Now, mango. Mango is very sweet. Mango is a fruit. Mango comes in summer season. तो इसको मैं फिर से कैसे बोलूँगी if I don't want to repeat mango again and again? Mango is a fruit. It is very sweet. It comes in summer season. So, it is used for bird, animal, and things. Now, they. They is also a pronoun. So, they is used when we are talking about other people, animals and things. They हम कब यूज़ करते हैं? जब हम दूसरे persons के बारे में, दूसरे animals के बारे में या things. When we are talking about more than one person, more than one animal, more than one thing. जब हम एक से ज़्यादा पर्सन के बारे में, एनिमल्स के बारे में या थिंग के बारे में बात करते हैं, देन वी यूज़ दे. सो दे वी यूज़ दे व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट मोर पर्सन्स, मोर birds, more animals and more things. Like, they are playing. Here 2 children are playing. 2 बच्चे खेल रहे हैं. अगर मैं बोलूँ मीरा and Rahul are friends. Meera and Rahul are playing. So, instead of repeating Meera and Rahul again, I can say like this: Meera and Rahul are friends. They are playing. Now, they are having fun. there are 3 monkeys. So there are 3 monkeys. Monkeys are having fun. So I can say like this, there are 3 monkeys, they are having fun. So they is used for more than one person, more than one animal, more than one thing, and more than one person, animal, and thing. Then we. We is also a pronoun. We is used when I am talking about myself along with others. हम we कब यूज़ करते हैं? जब हम अपने बारे में बात करते हैं और हमारे साथ जो बैठे हैं उनके बारे में भी बात करते हैं. जैसे कि सपोज यू एंड योर फ्रेंड्स आर सिटिंग इन अ कैंटीन. अगर आप और आपके फ्रेंड्स किसी कैंटीन में बैठे हैं, ओके, सो यू से लाइक दिस, वी आर ईटिंग समोसाज. आप ऐसे बोलोगे ना. अगर आप और आपके फ्रेंड्स बैठे हैं कैंटीन में तो आप कैसे बोलोगे? वी आर ईटिंग समोसाज. आप सबके नाम थोड़े लोगे. वरुण, राहुल, रिया आर हैविंग समोसाज. बोलोगे वी आर हैविंग समोसाज. ऐसे बोलोगे ना आप. यहाँ आप ऐसे बोलोगे आई, वरुण, राहुल, रिया आर हैविंग समोसाज. नो, आप बोलोगे वी आर हैविंग समोसाज. लाइक दिस इज मीरा एंड आई, वी आर फ्रेंड्स. सो ये मीरा है और मैं हूँ और हम फ्रेंड्स हैं. वी का मतलब होता है हम फ्रेंड्स हैं. दिस इज़ जो एंड आई, वी बोथ लव आइसक्रीम. ये जो है और मैं हूँ और हम दोनों को आइसक्रीम पसंद है. दिस इज़ जो एंड आई, वी बोथ लव आइसक्रीम. नाउ यू. You is also a pronoun. You is used when we are talking to someone in front of us. You हम कब यूज़ करते हैं? जब जो हमारे सामने कोई बैठा है हम उसके साथ जब बात करते हैं, we use you. For example, there are 2 boys, okay, and the boy with the red shirt is talking to a boy with a yellow shirt. So then the boy with the red shirt will say like this, hello Rohan, what are you doing? Hello Rohan, how are you? So we use you when we are talking to someone in front of us. Then pronoun I. When we use I for the pronoun I is used for me and myself only. Like जो pronoun I है वो सिर्फ हम अपने लिए यूज़ करते हैं. किसके लिए यूज़ करते हैं? हम अपने लिए. Like if this boy wants to say something about himself. अगर इस लड़के को कुछ अपने बारे में कहना है तो ये कैसे बोलेगा? He will say, I am a good boy. I study in class 1. I love to eat ice cream. So when we have to introduce ourselves or when we talk about ourselves, we use pronoun I. जब हम अपने बारे में बात करते हैं तो हम pronoun I यूज़ करते हैं. So students, I hope the topic pronoun is clear to all of you, that where we have to use pronouns he, she, it, they, we, you and I. These all are pronouns. Thank you students.